Welcome back. In this lesson, we're diving into family and kids meal planning, how to create healthy, balanced meals that everyone in the household will enjoy. Feeding a family can feel like juggling nutrition, preferences, and time all at once, but with a little structure and creativity, you can make it simple and fun. Let's start with the big picture. Family meal planning is about balance, flexibility, and getting everyone involved. When meals are planned ahead, you reduce stress, save money, and ensure your kids build lifelong healthy eating habits. Step 1. Plan together. Involve your family when deciding meals for the week. Ask everyone to choose one favorite dish. This creates buy-in and helps avoid mealtime battles. Step 2. Create a base menu of family-friendly meals. Keep a rotation of 10 to 12 go-to recipes that are easy, nutritious, and loved by everyone. Examples include tacos, stir-fries, pasta with veggies, soups, and sheet pan dinners. Step 3. Build balanced plates. Aim for a mix of lean proteins, whole grains, colorful vegetables, and healthy fats at every meal. For kids, balance is key. Smaller portions with more variety keep them interested and well-nourished. Step 4. Make one meal for everyone. Avoid becoming a short-order cook. Instead of making separate dishes, serve meals with customizable components, like taco bars, grain bowls, or build-your-own wraps, so each person can personalize their plate. Step 5. Prep smart for the week. Cook proteins, grains, and veggies in batches, then mix and match them for different meals. This reduces weekday cooking time and helps you handle those busy evenings with ease. Step 6. Keep snacks simple and nutritious. Stock your fridge and pantry with grab-and-go options like fruit, yogurt, cheese sticks, nuts, and whole grain crackers. Pre-portion them in small containers so kids can grab them independently. Step 7. Plan themed nights. Themes like Meatless Monday, Taco Tuesday, or Family Pizza Night make meal planning easier and give everyone something to look forward to. Step 8. Introduce new foods gradually. Pair unfamiliar items with familiar favorites. For example, add roasted veggies alongside pasta, or blend spinach into smoothies. It helps picky eaters become more open to variety. Step 9. Get kids involved in cooking. Let them help wash veggies, stir ingredients, or set the table. When kids participate in meal prep, they're more likely to try what they helped create. Step 10. Focus on mindful eating. Eat together as often as possible without screens. Family meals build connection and teach kids to eat slowly and listen to their hunger cues. Step 11. Plan for quick breakfasts. Mornings can be hectic, so prep overnight oats, egg muffins, or smoothie packs in advance. These save time and ensure everyone starts the day with energy. Step 12. Handle different schedules wisely. If family members eat at different times, keep meals warm in the oven or prepare quick, reheatable portions for flexibility. Step 13. Sneak in nutrition. Add vegetables to sauces, soups, or casseroles. Use whole grain pasta, blend beans into dips, or swap sugary cereals for oatmeal topped with fruit. Step 14. Don't forget hydration. Encourage kids to drink water throughout the day. Keep reusable bottles ready for school and activities. Step 15. Make mealtime positive. Avoid forcing or bribing with food. Instead, make it about enjoyment and connection. Over time, consistency and exposure will shape healthy preferences naturally. Here's your quick recap. Plan meals together, build balanced plates, prep ahead, and make mealtime interactive and fun. Family meal planning isn't just about food, it's about creating moments of connection and teaching lifelong habits. In the next lesson, we'll explore meal planning for plant-based and vegetarian families, ensuring everyone gets all the nutrients they need while keeping meals exciting. Let's make family mealtime something everyone looks forward to.